Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you're using an administrator account so changes persist system-wide. Open Start, type Services. MSC and press Enter to launch the Services console. This gives you direct control over service states. Once the console is open, scan the list and identify the exact service name and its startup type. You need that precise name to avoid stopping dependent or critical services. Make note of the display name and startup type before you proceed. You will now stop the service and prevent it from restarting. Right-click the service, choose Properties, click Stop, and then set Startup Type to Disabled. This stops immediate activity and blocks automatic restarts. If there are dependencies, check the Dependencies tab and stop them first only if they aren't system critical. For repeatable or remote work, use SC config service name, start equals disabled or PowerShell set service name, startup type, disabled so you can document and revert changes later. Once done, verify the service status reads stopped and startup type shows disabled in services. MSC. If the service restarts after a reboot, make sure no scheduled task, group policy, or another service is re-enabling it. Event Viewer will show related errors or restart events. If a change fails, temporarily set the service to manual to test behavior, then reapply disabled after resolving conflicts. If things go wrong, check Event Viewer for error codes and revert the change until you identify the dependency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.